Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and if you have a young rider in your home, then you most likely only want the best for them and for your horse, and that's why you have to check out this beautiful leather saddle by SILVERLINE. This beautiful saddle has embossed leather and silver conchos, and I love the color. It matches everything, and it went along great with our existing tack and our horses. The seat is comfortable, and we have a 12-inch for our 9-year-old rider. And the fleece on the bottom of the saddle is thick, and that makes it more comfortable for our horse. And I can tell that it's going to last a long time because of the quality of the leather and the thickness of the fleece on the bottom of the saddle. I think it's great that it did come with the front and rear off billets and latigo straps, and they would work great for a pony or a small horse. We easily replaced them with a standard off billet and latigo, and I left the two on for size comparison. This leather saddle is lightweight and easy enough for our 9-year-old to be able to carry on her own. And I love that because now she's able to learn the responsibility of taking care of her own saddle. This leather saddle is so beautiful and it shines up so pretty. I know because of the design and the quality of this saddle that we'll be able to pass it along to our sons when they're ready to ride. Happy riders and happy horses, and that's my point of view.